Acabamos de terminar la comida en el IMS World 2013, una comida mediterránea bastante liviana, así que estamos bastante despiertos por ahora. Contamos con la presencia de Jason de ZTE, con quien vamos a estar hablando de la presentación que realizaron durante este congreso y algunas cuestiones más relacionadas con IMS. Jason, welcome to telesemana.com.
Yeah.
So tell us, you had a presentation yesterday, I think.
Yes, of course.
Why don't you give us a, brief description of what you presented to the operators yesterday?
Yes, actually for the operator, even to the vendor, telecom world, so face a big problem that's coming from the OTT side.
Correct.
So they provide almost the same service, but which much more lower price. So what we want to give our customer, give the operator, is that we help the operator to provide the same class of a carrier grade service, but using the OTT, the same technology, is that cloud.
Okay.
So the cloud is not normal cloud, not IT cloud. It's kind of, telecom grade cloud.
Okay. Now, what's the difference between the carrier grade cloud and IMS? Is there a connection between those two things?
Yes, our IMS is some application. So we put this application on the telecom cloud. Mm-hmm. So this application could be a carrier grade. 5-line reliability, something like that.
Okay. And what about the IMS? And then you have the IMS network on the operators?
Yeah, so the cloud is carrier grade, the application is carrier grade, so you provide a service carrier grade. Compared to the OTT, it could be, just like reliability of the old telecom network, but much more cheaper. OPEX and CAPEX are saved.
We're seeing IMS attached to RCS and join messaging services. What other services do you think operators can launch to monetize IMS just beyond join?
Yes, join is something for the 3G network. It's the voice coming through the old CS domain. But I think in the future, when we introduce LTE, so it could be much more bandwidth. In this case, we got provide high definition voice at least on the existing, and also we could buy high definition videos and much more wonderful multimedia service on the LTE. And for fixed network, it's on the FTTX.
Okay. Now, what else did you present yesterday? So, what was your message to the operators that were in the room?
So I presented yesterday that so we have cloud. So in this case, we have application. So we found a way to centralize the application. For example, in the old telecommunication network, we need MSC source switch in every network, everywhere. But in this case, we have a cloud, so the logical elements of MSA, MS will be centralized deployed in one physical node. But logically, it's just like the old one.
Okay.
So it's much more convenient for the operator to save the CAPEX and OPEX.
How is going the operators to handle legacy services with new services on the IMS network?
Yes, on the new platform, using the OTT technology, but it keeps the logical old network and keep the reliability of the old network.
Okay.
Because that is the new way.
So there's a way of connecting both to make sure services are interchangeable between legacy users and new users.
Yes, it's for the user aspect. The service are not changed, just come to more cheaper. Okay.
So in terms of your involvement with IMS, what are you seeing in terms of deployments in the world? What challenges are operators facing when trying to implement IMS?
Yes, for the IMS, it's a wonderful technology for the fixed mobile convergency and deploy multimedia service on the broadband. But the challenge is that the OTT do the same things. So for the user they have choice for the free of the OTT or pay for the operator.
Premium operator.
So what we want to provide is we are using the OTT technology, cloud, hosting, centralized to the operator side, to the IMS side. So the operator can fight from the OTT. So maybe we are charge a little more money, but we can guarantee the service. We follow the requirements of the government regulation, emergency call and whatever. So the customer has the more choice, free one and a little more one. This one is more reliability, just like old telephone.
And you think that, for example, in emerging markets, the user is going to pay that extra for reliability, or you think that perhaps operators should concentrate messaging or these services for the corporate sector or for other vertical markets that might be willing to pay for reliability and for security? And
yes, I think even for one user, they have some different choice. For example, I want to make a company call to my boss. I like reliability, but I just talk to my wife or to chat somebody. I choose the free one. So even if the operator provides the technology from the cloud, so we can have a different charging strategy and policy to the users. So your user can have the freedom to choose. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much for visiting us.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
Have a good show. Thank you.